Welcome back to the big joy of learning with Bijoy Ji. Getting annoyed with a friend posting and deleting messages all the time in WhatsApp? Here is a solution for viewing the delete for everyone messages. Open Chrome browser. Search for WA Web Plus extension. Click on the link WA Web Plus. From the website, click on Install Now. Now click on Add to Chrome and then click Add extension on the pop-up. The extension is installed now and added to Chrome browser. Open WhatsApp in web and click on the extension icon of the browser. Now click on WA Web Plus in the extensions list. You will get several options available in the extension. You can activate any of those as required. Click on the checkbox near Restore Deleted Messages to activate the option. You can see there is a message deleted by the user Bijoy. Click on the message and you can notice the deleted message is shown as this message was deleted along with the original message. This way you can see all the deleted messages of all the users. Cool, right? Keep watching us for such useful tips. Thank you for watching. This is Darpana signing off for now. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do it now. If you think the content to be useful, please do not forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Click on the bell icon to get notified on new releases. Thank you for your time and have a big joy of learning.